this video, I'm going to show you how to download and enable the Network TWAIN Finder.
First, tap on Configurations in the bottom left corner, then select System Settings. Scroll down and enable TWAIN and ICA. Once the feature is enabled successfully, the TWAIN and ICA icon will appear on the screen. Visit www.plustic.com to download the Network TWAIN Finder. Select Support and Download, then click on Drivers and Download. Enter your model name in the search box on the right, or choose your model from the selection list on the left. Click on the eScan Enterprise icon below to access the driver page. Locate the file named Plustic Network TWAIN and click the orange icon on the right to download it. Double-click the downloaded application file to begin installing the Network TWAIN Finder. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, you will find the eScan Network TWAIN Finder in your system tray located at the bottom right corner. Click it to check if there are any available connected devices.